Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. As you see, I'm missing a lippy because in this video we are reviewing the new Revolution brand, the XX Revolution Lippy. So Makeup Revolution recently came up with a new brand called XX Revolution, which kind of supposed to be not only as a makeup but good for your skin, because they even say that on the packaging, Skin XX makeup. So this lippy is XXUDE Satin Liquid Lipstick. So what it says on the back of the packaging is XXUDE your color, intense and vibrant, delicate matte finish. And what I like about XX Revolution, you probably noticed on my channel I've been reviewing separate makeup items by XX Revolution, as I thought it's better to do like proper review rather than a full face of XX Revolution. That makes sense? So it's different videos up on my channel if you want to check it out. So I got this lippy in a color ticket. I didn't pick up more. I spent my own money. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm gonna be super honest, as I always am. I haven't opened it yet, so I have no idea what to expect. If it's any good or no, we should see soon. So let's do it. Ooh, okay. Love the packaging so far. This looks like a very nice nude color. I like the simple packaging. And I love that it has like this grip in here going on. So it's not slippy. Especially when you do your makeup, you kind of have something on your fingers. It kind of slips. Well, at least I have this. Okay, let's open this up. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it smells lovely. It smells like vanilla. Love this. I am not a fan of a smell, perfume, whatever it is in a makeup or cosmetics, especially when it comes to my lips or anything, because it's so close to our nose, and if the smell is irritating, plasticky. Like, I went cruelty-free makeup like about a year ago, over a year ago now I think, so I purchased only brands that are cruelty-free. And before I used to use the L'Oreal, which is not cruelty-free brand, and the L'Oreal lipsticks always has this plastic artificial smell. Like I could never ever wear their lipsticks because of that intense smell close to my nose. But then this, guys, vanilla, definitely, like literally smells like vanilla. Okay, let's see on a hand. I'm gonna leave this to dry so we can see how smudge proof it is. Oh, love the color, you guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, love the color. Like, love the color. You guys ready? Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna try and line my lips a bit. Side. Wow. You guys, I'm in love. This is gonna be my daily go-to nude lippy. I mean, just look at that. I'm like, I love it. I kind of regret now for not getting more. So they say on a packaging that it's satin liquid lipstick. That means it's moisturizing, right? But then it has a matte finish. We can straight away see matte finish. Like it straight away looks matte, although when I was applying it, it looked a little bit glossy, but it dried off like this. And it doesn't feel, you know, with some matte liquid lipsticks, it feels very, very dry on the lips. It feels dry. Like, I'm trying to think of something smart, but it just feels very dry on the lips, like super dry. It kind of even cracks like in the middle. But this doesn't feel dry. With some matte lipsticks, it tends to feel a bit sticky, like this part in here. If you would do it was stuck together, like, oh, this doesn't do that. Look at that. It doesn't stick at all. So well done, XX Revolution. So I think this dried off already. I mean, it feels amazing. So I'm not sure if they stayed on that website, if it's long wear or anything like this. Alright, so what they say about this liquid lipstick on the website is: get intense, vibrant matte lip color, pigment come through. Oh yeah, we've seen this pigment going on. Formulated for ultra vivid color, these long wear. Okay, so they say it's longwear. Satin Matte Liquid Lipsticks packs a punch. So they say it is longwear. So it means we're gonna do a test as we always do. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna do a kiss test. Love to do a kiss test. I'll do it on this hand next to this, so we'll see. Ready? Maybe I didn't wait for it to dry properly. So it did leave a mark. But then the lip is perfectly fine on the lips. Maybe I didn't leave it for long enough. I'm gonna go get a glass of water. We'll try a water test and a glass test, and then I'll do another little kiss test. Maybe it will dry off by this time so we can see. Let's do that. So I got a glass of water in front of me. Let's see if it's gonna leave a mark on the glass. There's like barely a mark on. It has like a little, you know, like a grease mark. That makes any sense, like a lippy would leave, but there's no color at all. So I think this kiss part that we did before, the lippy wasn't dry enough before, because I just did it too quickly. But now, till I went to get a water downstairs and all, I think it dried off. That's why it didn't leave a mark on the glass. So let's do one more kiss test just so this hand. See guys? That's better. I think, yeah, first time it didn't dry off because it was like for longwear lippy to leave a mark just doesn't make sense, but hey, they didn't lie. I mean, look at this. So it means it's definitely a smudge proof, like, you know, shrink proof and food proof as well then, which is amazing. Perfect for wearing all day long. I definitely gonna be purchasing more. Like, I do regret I didn't get more, but then I don't know about you guys, but if I get something new, I don't really want to invest like too much money getting every shade possible and all in cases, you know, shit. So that's why I went for only one. But hey, this is definitely amazing lippy, and I'm like lipstickaholic. If only you would see how many lipsticks I have. So I definitely approve this lippy by XX Revolution. I haven't tried the other lippies. I don't even know if they do have any other lippies. They probably do. But I did try a lot of the makeup products and I'm posting separate videos. I actually filmed today review for this Flix eyeliner, felt eyeliner pen. I did this eyeliner look as well. Should be already up on my channel so you guys can check it out. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you already tried any of XX Revolution products and what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more of the review videos or more of the tutorials? Yeah, let me know. And I shall see you very, very soon. So have an amazing day, you guys. Bye! Ciao for now.